Let's face it, nobody likes calling customer service. You're usually frustrated, confused, or both. You need help, and you need it now. That's where customer service representatives, or CSRs, step in. They are the front line, the first voice you hear. They are problem solvers, information providers, and sometimes, even therapists. Good customer service can make or break a business. It's about building trust and showing customers you care. Think about a time you had a truly great customer service experience. The representative listened patiently, understood your problem, and went above and beyond to help. It probably changed your entire perception of the company. Now think about a bad experience. You were put on hold forever, shuffled between departments, and ultimately, your problem remained unsolved. Frustrating, right? That's the power of customer service. It can make you feel valued and heard, or it can leave you feeling ignored and unimportant. In the world of business, there's no room for bad experiences. Customers have choices, and they remember how you treat them. That's why CSRs are so critical. They are the human connection in a world that's increasingly digital. They are the ones who can turn a negative experience into a positive one. So, who are these CSRs? They come from all walks of life, each with their own unique skills and experiences. But they all share one thing in common: a passion for helping people. They are the voice of the company, representing its values and commitment to customer satisfaction. Their job isn't always easy. They deal with frustrated and angry customers on a daily basis. They have to stay calm under pressure, think on their feet, and find creative solutions to complex problems. They are masters of empathy, putting themselves in the customer's shoes and understanding their perspective. They are also experts in the products or services the company offers. They need to be able to answer questions accurately and provide clear and concise information. But their role goes beyond just answering questions and resolving issues. They are also responsible for building relationships with customers. They are the ones who follow up after a sale, answer questions about products or services, and make sure customers feel valued and appreciated. In many ways, CSRs are the face of the company. They are the ones who interact with customers the most, and their interactions can have a lasting impact on the company's reputation. Imagine a day in the life of a CSR. The phone's ringing, emails are piling up, and the chat box is buzzing with new messages. It's a fast-paced environment that requires multitasking and organization. One minute they might be scheduling appointments for a busy sales team. The next, they're answering technical questions about a product. CSRs are masters of organization, juggling multiple tasks without dropping the ball. They have to be able to prioritize urgent requests, while also ensuring that all inquiries are handled promptly and efficiently. They're like air traffic controllers for customer issues, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. But it's not just about managing the chaos. It's about doing it with a smile in your voice and a genuine desire to help. It's about understanding that behind every phone call or email is a real person with a real problem. And it's about finding a solution that works for everyone. Good customer service is more than just being polite and helpful. It's about creating a positive experience for the customer, one that leaves them feeling heard, valued, and respected. It's about going the extra mile to exceed expectations and turn a potentially negative situation into a positive one. This might mean taking the time to listen to a customer's frustrations, even if they're not directly related to the issue at hand. Sometimes customers just need to vent. It might mean offering a sincere apology, even if the company isn't at fault. It's about taking ownership of the situation and doing everything in your power to make it right. It's about treating customers like human beings, not just numbers on a spreadsheet. And it's about remembering that a little empathy goes a long way. A CSR who can master these skills isn't just doing their job, they're creating a positive brand experience for the company. They're building loyalty, one interaction at a time. Going the extra mile. Turning frustration into loyalty. We've all been there, stuck on hold, transferred from department to department, feeling like just another cog in the machine. But sometimes, you get that one CSR who goes above and beyond, who turns your entire experience around. They don't just answer your question or solve your problem. They do it with a level of care and attention that makes you feel like you matter. Maybe they stay on the line a little longer to make sure you understand the solution. Maybe they follow up with you to see if everything worked out. Or maybe they just listen patiently to your frustrations, offering a sympathetic ear and a reassuring voice. These small acts of kindness might seem insignificant, but they can have a huge impact on customer loyalty. They show that the company cares about its customers and is willing to go the extra mile to make them happy. In today's competitive market, that kind of dedication can make all the difference. Your voice matters. The power of customer feedback. Companies spend millions of dollars each year trying to figure out what customers want. They conduct market research, analyze data, and hire consultants to tell them what they should be doing. But sometimes, the most valuable insights come directly from the source, the customers themselves. That's why customer feedback is so important. It gives companies a chance to see their business through the eyes of their customers. It helps them understand what they're doing well and where they need to improve. Feedback can come in many forms. It could be a formal survey, a casual comment on social media, or a conversation with a CSR. Every piece of feedback, no matter how small, provides valuable information that can help companies improve their products, services, and overall customer experience. Surveys. A snapshot of customer sentiment. One of the most common ways companies gather customer feedback is through surveys. These surveys can be conducted online, over the phone, or even in person. They typically ask customers to rate their satisfaction with various aspects of the business, such as product quality, service speed, and overall experience. Surveys can be an incredibly valuable tool for businesses. They provide a snapshot of customer sentiment, highlighting areas where the company is excelling and areas where it needs to improve. For example, a survey might reveal that customers are generally satisfied with the company's products, but frustrated with long wait times on the phone. This information can then be used to make targeted improvements, such as hiring more CSRs or streamlining the customer service process. Measuring success, understanding the CSI. While individual pieces of feedback are valuable, businesses need a way to track customer satisfaction over time and compare their performance to competitors. This is where the Customer Satisfaction Index, or CSI, comes in. The CSI is a metric that measures how satisfied customers are with a particular company, product, or service. It's calculated by asking customers a series of questions about their experiences and then averaging their responses. The CSI is typically measured on a scale of 0 to 100, with a higher score indicating greater customer satisfaction. A CSI score of 80 or above is generally considered to be good, while a score below 70 suggests that the company has some work to do to improve customer satisfaction. The CSI is a powerful tool that can be used to track progress over time, identify areas for improvement, and benchmark performance against competitors. The CSI effect driving business improvement. The CSI is more than just a number. It's a reflection of how well a company is meeting the needs of its customers. And in today's competitive business environment, customer satisfaction is more important than ever. Companies with high CSI scores tend to be more profitable, have higher customer retention rates, and enjoy a stronger brand reputation. This is because satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers, recommend the company to others, and remain loyal even in the face of competitive offers. On the other hand, companies with low CSI scores risk losing customers to competitors, damaging their brand reputation, and ultimately hurting their bottom line. That's why businesses are constantly striving to improve their CSI scores. They invest in employee training, streamline their processes, and go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations. Because they know that in the end, customer satisfaction is the key to long-term success. The human impact of excellent service. While metrics like the CSI are important, it's easy to forget that customer service is ultimately about people. It's about the human interactions that take place every day between customer service representatives and customers. It's about the feeling of relief a customer experiences when a CSR solves a frustrating problem. It's about the sense of connection that develops when a CSR goes the extra mile to make a customer feel valued. These interactions might seem small, but they can have a lasting impact. They can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal advocate for the company. They can brighten someone's day and restore their faith in humanity. And they can remind us that even in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, human connection still matters. Unsung heroes, celebrating the value of CSRs. CSRs are often the unsung heroes of the business world. They work behind the scenes, often in thankless jobs, dealing with frustrated customers and resolving complex issues. but their contributions are invaluable. They are the front line of customer service, the voice of the company, and the guardians of customer satisfaction. They play a vital role in shaping the customer experience, building brand loyalty, and driving business success. So the next time you interact with a CSR, remember the important role they play. A little appreciation goes a long way. Thank them for their patience, their understanding, and their commitment to providing excellent service. Because behind every great company is a team of dedicated CSRs who make it all possible. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about customer service, please like and subscribe.